Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix MW3 packet burst in your computer. So now the first solution is to change internet packet priority. To do this, right click on your Windows icon and then select Device Manager. And then in here, select network adapters. And in here, the device to proceed with could be Intel or Realtek, depending on your computer. So in here, right click on the device and then open Properties and click on the Advanced tab. So in your left side, you have to choose Priority and VLAN. There you go. So after that, in your right side, under Value, we have to set Priority and VLAN as well. And then click OK and then close this window. Moving on to the second solution, we have to reset our internet. To do this, in your search bar, open CMD as an admin, and then you have to enter the three codes one at a time. So I will be putting the codes in here, so just have to copy it. For the first code, you need to enter this one, and then once you're done entering, just hit the enter button. And for our second code, you need to enter this one, so just copy it again, and don't forget to press the enter for the next code. And for our third code, you need to copy this one and then enter it after copying it into your computer. And then you're done. It says here successfully flushed DNS. So let's close this window, and then additionally we will reset our internet from the Windows settings. So click your Windows and then go to your settings and then select network and internet. And then in here, we need to scroll down a bit until you find the advanced network settings below. Just click that one and then click the network reset. Then click yes and continue. So we need to restart our computer after doing this. Okay, so after restarting, we need to check if the problem persists. And if yes, please consider giving a like and share these videos. And if not, let's move on to the third solution. So for our third solution, we need to add ports for MW3. And again, from your search bar, we need to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Just hit enter and then a new window will pop up. So in here on the left side, just click on Advanced Settings. And on the left side menu again, click on Inbound Rules. And then on the right side menu, just click on New Rules. So in here, we need to choose port. And then click Next. And then select TCP. And then the ports that need to be added, I will just zoom it out so that you can see and copy it in your computer. And once you're done typing in, just click next and then click next again without making any changes. And then name the created port. So let's just name it COD TCP, and then click to finish adding the port. Okay, so we have to repeat the process one more time with UDP. So we have to click new rules again on the left side and then select port, then next, but this time select UDP, and then we have to type in the code again or the ports that need to be added. So I'm just gonna zoom it out again so that you can copy it and type it in your computer. Okay, once done, click next, and then click next without making any changes, and then next again, and then we need to name the created port. We have to name COD UDP, and then click finish to add the port. And for our last solution, we need to reset the modem. So we have to search on any browsers on how to do it. And the problem may be caused by game files or MW3 server, so you can try reinstalling the game. However, if it is due to the server, then there is nothing we can do. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.